Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have debated on even making this video because this is kind of like a negative one. So I colored my hair the other night, I think it was Friday night, and I used the Arctic Fox limited edition hair colors. I bought these on Amazon. Sally's doesn't have these ones, but I saw that on the Arctic Fox's Instagram that they had, these were limited edition colors. So I bought them and was like, oh, so freaking excited to use these. And I bought this. I looked up all the swatches and everything. So I bought this because this is a very, very beautiful blue black. And I thought, because it's a direct dye and I see lots of people mixing the colors and stuff to like create their own color, I thought if I put a little bit of this dark blue into this, it would give it a little bit more of a blue hue. And that did not do anything. I feel like this color did not do what I expected it to do. I was expecting this to be a blue black, and I got more of like this color only on my roots, which makes no sense because I mixed these two together. So, and then I followed the instructions where you put like a cap on and you use heat so for 30 minutes, and that's what I did. And it was an epic fail. And my roots are like the only thing that really took, and it was like the color of this box blue on my roots. But you could still see all the whites through the blue. And it was just so bad. This is not the outcome of this at all. I had to recolor my hair, and I used the Redken Shades EQ color gloss, and that created this. So this is not the outcome of this. Like, this didn't do anything except do my roots. And I will show pictures of it because I only used a tiny bit of this. I used pretty much like the whole bottle of this and just a little bit of this and mixed it together, and it did nothing. And this is why I've always steered clear of like temporary colors or like these type of colors, because I always had that fear that like I'd spend all this money and it's just gonna wash right out. And that's exactly what it did. And it like it only tinted my hair just a bit. And I was expecting this to actually be darker and kind of go like this, like do this. And it didn't do anything. So I was very disappointed. And I know a lot of people rave about Arctic Fox, and I don't see the hype. This is just my personal opinion. I don't see the hype. I feel like this is a waste of money. These were $19 a piece, and to me, it's not worth it. Like, I thought by watching a bunch of other people's videos of Arctic Fox, like they always have all these amazing, beautiful outcomes, and they can change their hair from like green to purple using Arctic Fox, and they have like these amazing like transformations. But this didn't do anything for me. It made my roots like a translucent blue, and it didn't do anything to the rest of my hair. And I was hoping to at least get a beautiful like blue black effect on the rest of my hair, and it didn't do anything. It just highlighted my roots, and it just was horrible. So I'll show pictures of that because like I said, I debated on making this video because of how poorly it is, but I figured maybe this can help somebody make that decision and be like, ooh, I want to try this. Like, this is great if you have like, I don't know, if you want to try a color, like a fun color, and you have blonde highlights or something, and you just want to like have like a pop of color, that's great. And then it'll just wash out in a couple days. But this is not, it was not good. It was not a good experience. And I guess I just figured I'd share it anyways, even though it didn't work for me. It seems like it works for lots of people who pre-lighten their hair and they can just have that pop of color, but it didn't work for me. So sorry about the disappointment, and this is a very short video because I have nothing good to say about it and it's very disappointing, and I didn't really want to make that bad, like a disappointing video. Usually I like being like, yay, but it didn't work. It didn't, the outcome was horrible, and I had to redo it that same night, and I love the results of the Redken. Like, I feel like that's going to be one of my new go-to colors, and it's less damage. It lasts a really long time, and my hair feels freaking amazing. And I'm glad that someone recommended that to me. And I've always wanted to try it, but always had the fear that it would do exactly like what this did. And for it to not do that and it stick in my hair like a permanent hair color it's bomb. So I think I'll be sticking with Redken for the win. And yeah, I'm sorry this video sucked and it wasn't like oh my god, this is such a great product type video, but I figured I'd share for other people. And I know Arctic Fox is like highly rated and like highly recommended, and a lot of people have always recommended Arctic Fox to me. Well, I tried it and it did not work out. So if you have any other recommendations, put them in the comments below or DM me in my Instagram. It's Nina_Gilhousen. And you can always just send me pictures of like the hair color that you want me to try. And right now I'm just gonna do these demi-permanent ones and direct dye ones, and hopefully, like, I have another recommendation from Goldwell that's like a direct dye, and if it's anything like this, I'm terrified because it's a direct dye and I don't know if it's even gonna stick in my hair. And I feel like it's gonna do the same thing because it doesn't have like a processing solution for it like the Redken does, and you just stick it on your hair and basically do the same exact thing that you do with this. And I'm terrified. I'm really terrified because I really feel like it's not gonna work. But anyways, I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye guys.